Hello दोस्तों, welcome to Taimoor Tech YouTube channel and today my topic is cloud versus on-prem. What's the right DevOps strategy for automotive IT? So first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So let's start my video. Cloud versus on-prem. What's the right DevOps strategy for automotive IT? The automotive industry is experiencing unprecedented transformations, driven by the rapid evolutions of connected vehicles, autonomous driving, and the surges in electric mobility. The digital revolutions demands a robust and adaptable IT infrastructures and agile development practices. As a result, automotive companies from established giant to nimble startup are critically evaluating their IT strategy, particularly the fundamental choice between cloud-based and on-premises solutions. According to industry reports, the staggering growth of the global cloud computing markets projects to exceed 2.321.1 billion by 2032, with a compelling CAGR of 16% from 2023 to 2032, underscore the undeniable significance of cloud technology in today's business landscape. For startup owners and CXOs is the automotive sector. Understanding the intricate difference between cloud and on-premise is not just an option but a necessity for making informed decisions that align with their business objectives and drive future growth. This comprehensive blog post delves into the critical aspect of cloud-based versus on-premise IT infrastructures, especially focusing on the unique needs of automotive IT. We will meticulously explore the pros and cons of cloud versus on-premise and provide actionable insight into developing an effective DevOps consulting services strategy for automotive IT. On-premises versus cloud difference a deeper dive. The fundamental distinctions between on-premises and cloud solutions lies in the solution and management of the IT infrastructures. On-premises, the legacy of to control is an on-premises startups and organization assumes complete ownership and control over all hardware and software resources. This includes service storage systems, network equipments, and database application will all housed within the organization physical premises. The organization is the solely responsible for all aspects of infrastructure management, including installations, configurations, maintenance, security, upgrades, and troubleshooting. This model offers directly control and security, but also involves significant capital expenditures and ongoing operational cost. For organizations with stringent regulatory requirements for choose handling highly sensitive data on-premises, solutions may offer a perceived sense of enhancement security. Cloud, the paradigm of flexibility. Cloud computing involves delivery IT services over the internet, eliminating the need of organizations to own the manage physical infrastructure. These services encompass many resources including storage, servers, databases, networking, software, and analytics. Cloud providers such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform manage the underlying infrastructures, providing organizations with on-demand access to resources on pay-as-you-go basis. This model offers unparalleled scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness, enabling organization to adapt quickly to changing business needs. Cloud services accessibility allow for remote work and increase collaboration. Case study: how to Toyota optimized cloud cost with DevOps. while specific details are often publicly available. Information and industry trends suggest that Toyota, like many large enterprises, has embarked on a journey to optimize its cloud usage and goes by adopting DevOps practices. This likes involves several key strategies. Infrastructures as code LSE, automotive provisioning, and management of cloud resources to eliminate manual errors and ensures consistent cost efficient deployments. Concentrations and orchestration, e.g., Dockers and Kubernetes, improving resources utilization and applications portability, leading to better cost efficiency. Serverless computing utilizing serverless function for event driven workloads, reducing idle compute cost. Continuous monitoring and optimizations, implementing robust monitoring tools to track the resources consumptions and identifies areas for cost optimizing, such as rising instances and eliminating unused resources. Cost visibility and accountability, implementing cost taking and allocations mechanisms to provide teams with visibility into their cloud spending, encourage cost consequence development practices. Automations of scaling, implementing auto scaling policies to dynamically adjust resources based on demand, avoiding over provisioning during low traffic periods. FinOps practices, establishing a collaborative culture between finance, engineering, and operations teams to drive financial accountability and optimize cloud spending. By embracing DevOps principles and focusing on automations, optimizations, and cost visibility, companies like Toyota and significantly reduce cloud waste and maximize the value derived from their cloud investment. Key aspect where you can find on premises versus cloud differences. To truly grasp the nonsense comparisons of cloud versus on premises, it's crucial to examine the key aspects where they diverge. Infrastructure's management responsibility and control. On premises, this requires a predictive internal IT team with specialized skills for hardware procurements, installations, configurations, ongoing maintenance, software updates, patching, and troubleshooting, which necessitates significant investment in personnel and resources. Cloud providers assume responsibility for the underlying infrastructures, including hardware, networking, and essential software. Maintenance this allows internal IT resources to focus on strategy, initiatives like application developments, business process optimizations, and innovations rather than routine maintenance. Scalability, adapting to changing demands. On premises, physical hardware's limitation constraints scalability. Scaling requires significant upfront investment in additional servers, storage, and networking equipment, which can lead to over or under provisioning. Cloud its offer dynamics to elastic scalability, allows organization to scale resources up or down instantly based on fluctuating demand. This ensures optimal resources utilization and cost efficiency, particularly during peak periods or rapid growth. Cost capital expenditure versus operational expenditure. One premises on premises infrastructures is characterized by substantial upfront capital expenditure (CapEx). This entails significant investment in physical hardware like servers, storage, and networking equipment coupled with the acquisition of software license. Additionally, organizations bear the cost associated with the data center space, including real estate constructions and ongoing maintenance. operational expenses such as power consumptions, cooling, and the salaries of dedicated IT personnel further contribute to the financial burden. This heavy upfront investment can strain budget, especially for startup and smaller enterprises, potentially limits financial flexibility and the ability to invest in other critical areas. The hardware depreciates of the necessity for periodic upgrades compound long-term CapEx, making it less capitable and requiring careful financial planning. Crucially, the individuals need to replace aging hardware necessitates requiring large CapEx events. Cloud recomputing fundamental shift to a cost model to operational expenditures of OPEX. Organization pay for resources on a subscriptions or pay as you go basis, eliminating and need for large upfront investment. This OPX models facilitates greater financial predictability as costs are directly tied of actual usage and can be accurately forecasted. The reduced upfront investment liberates capital for other strategies in tiers like research and development, marketing for businesses, expansions. Cloud providers handle infrastructures, maintenance, upgrades, and security, reducing operational overhead and freeing internal IT resources. The flexibility inherent in cloud services allows for dynamic budgeting with cost scaling up or down according to business needs. The on-demand scalability prevented overprovisioning, ensuring organizations only pay for utilized resources, optimizing cost efficiency and improve cash flows management. And however, it is essential to plan potential data transfer cost as they can become unexpected expenses. Security balancing, secure control, and responsibility. On-premises organizations have direct control over security measures, but they are also solely responsible for implementing maintenance and updating team. This includes physical security networks, security data encryptions, and compliance with the relevance and regulations. Cloud. Cloud providers invest heavily in robust security infrastructures and employ advanced security measures. However, organization remains responsible for data security, access control, and compliance within their cloud environment. Shared responsibility models are obvious. Accessibility anywhere, anytime access. On-premises access is typically limited to the physical network, restricting remote access and collaboration. This can hinder productivity and agility, particularly in today's increasingly distributed workflows. Cloud provide obtuse access to data and applications from anywhere with the internet connections enabling remote work, seamless collaborations, and enhanced business connectivity. Maintenance burden versus sharp responsibility. On premises, this requires our dedicated IT teams to handle all aspects of maintenance, including hardware repairs, software updates, patches, and troubleshooting. This can be time consuming and resources expensive. Cloud. Cloud providers can handle infrastructure's maintenance, freeing up internal IT team to focus on strategic intent to reduce operational overhead to improve efficiency. Deployments speed market to time to market. One premises deployment that typically showered due to hardware procurements, configurations, and software installations. This can delay time to market and hinder competitiveness. Conclusions. Ready to optimize your automation IT strategy and navigate the complexities of cloud versus on-premises solutions. strategy consulting, cloud applications consulting, and DevOps consulting services tailored to the industry unique needs. Thank you so much for watching my video.